What is going on, guys? This is Ankan here from Detective, and this video is specially meant for Infinix Note 4 users. And in this video I'm going to review the latest Nougat Rom version 135 for you, especially because I have seen a lot of mess around Note 4 users facing a lot of issues while using the buggy audio ROM. Well, I have tested audio version 35, version 42, version 52 as a beta tester, and also the latest release of audio, which is the version 72. And literally speaking, all those versions have a lot of bugs. As you already know that there is a lot of battery draining issue, heating issue, and also the system hangs a lot. The battery SOT means the screen on time sinks to 4 hours or maybe 3 hours, wherein Nougat I easily get about 11 hours of screen on time. That's very insane, and that what you can expect from a 4300 mAh battery. So that is why I'm creating this video to help you, maybe if I can help you. So let me tell you something that about audio ROM in Infinix Note 4. What I think that there is something inside the audio system which is throttling the CPU, therefore it creating the heat, and therefore it's draining the battery a lot. And until the developers fix the issue successfully and release the stable audio for Infinix Note 4 users, I think this is a perfect idea to downgrade to Nougat ROM version 135, because currently I'm using version 135. Let me show you first to the about device. Here you can see the build number, which is version 135, and literally speaking, this version is actually best, and I felt that Note 4's hardware is giving its best. And you can expect what you can expect from a MediaTek MT6757 chipset. Well, the CPU is very good, not for gamers or hardcore gamers. You can also play some games in the Note 4, but in high-end gaming you may notice some stuttering etc., and frame drops etc. But overall, Infinix Note 4 is really very good device in the budget range. You can still buy this device in 2018. Well, that's the other matter. Let's jump into the matter. Here I am using the Note 4 with Nougat ROM, and here you can see all the XOS applications are present here. You get a X Manager, as you can see, like it was in the old days, and also you get a X Security that you can apply app lock to your private applications, and you can also get a X Hide, which you can use to hide your personal application or personal file etc. And if you go to the settings, let me show you on the display, and as it was, you can get the mirror vision over there. So all the features, and one features I need to mention, that in the LED reminder light you still get the option to tick and untick missed call and unread messages. So that's a very good thing. And on the notification toggle you get scroll shot, one-handed mode, battery saver, and you also get a screen recorder. Well, I'm recording the screen with a third-party screen recorder, because the inbuilt screen recorder is not that good, because the audio source it's somehow compresses the audio source. So that's why I'm using a third-party tool for recording my screen. Well, that's a very good ROM, the Nougat version 35. And the special features about Nougat ROM is you get a stable speed, a standard speed, no heating issues at all. Everything is smooth enough. If you open any application, as you can see, let me show you opening applications. As you can see, this is very fast, and the response time is very fast while opening applications and doing something. And also all the XOS features are available here. Xide, X Security is also available, whereas if you upgrade it to audio, you already knew that some features are removed, because I also asked developers why they removed that features. They told me that it created some patent issues. That's why maybe they have removed those features from audio. Well, that's not good. And everything about it. So if you want to downgrade to Nougat, I have already made some videos, 3 videos on it. The first video is about how to downgrade successfully step by step, and the second video is about live downgrade. If you don't know how to downgrade or the exact scenario out of the computer, then you can see that video, live downgrade. And the third video is for providing the link of Nougat version 135. So you can also check those links in the video description. I will put all those links in the video description, so definitely go ahead and check out if you are interested to downgrade Note 4. But my suggestion is you should downgrade to Note 4 until developers team releases the stable audio, because all the audio, they said that version 42 and version 72 is stable, but it's actually not stable. There are a lot of bugs in it, and I have reported a lot of bugs as a beta tester, and that seems like wastage of my time, because they did not fixed those problems at all. So that's why I actually downgraded to Nougat. I can't take it more, so that's why I downgraded to Nougat. And now let me show you my battery. So as you can see, it has 86% of charge remaining, and still it is showing at about 22 hours of estimated screen on time. But you will not get 22 hours, but I can assure you that you will get about 11 hours of screen on time easily with a heavy and moderate usage. And if you use your smartphone frequently, then you can also get about 2 days of battery backup easily, or 1.5 days easily. If I go to advanced settings and show you some battery optimization configuration here, so you can see that there are some applications that I have opted out of optimization, because I use those applications like Truecaller, WhatsApp, and Play Store, Chrome, Facebook, and I don't want the system to close those applications that I use frequently while the screen is off. So that's why I turn off the battery optimization for the specific applications. And apart from that, if I show you that I have opted out of screen off sleep and screen off disconnect, well, that's completely your choice how you use this smartphone. I am quite a heavy and moderate user, so that's why I have not used any battery optimization. I want to let you know that if you use battery optimization, this will help your smartphone to save some batteries in a short point of time. But if you are a heavy user, then you should turn off the battery optimization, because every time you turn on the battery optimization, it will load all the applications every time when you turn on the screen after turning off the screen. So that's why you should turn off the battery optimization if you are a heavy and moderate user. Now if I show you my battery usage graph on system settings, you can see here the battery use time was 4 hours. I mean, I have charged my smartphone fully 4 hours before, and I have been using my smartphone continuously, and it drained only 15% in 4 hours. So you can judge how good is the battery life on this specific ROM. Now if I show you the camera, you can see that how good is the focusing on this camera. The autofocusing is really good, as you can see here. This is the camera samples on Nougat version 35 for Infinix Note 4. As you can see, the focus is really good. Now if I go to the system update, you can still see that I can get the update of version 35, and that's very normal, because I'm not gonna update this to the buggy audio ROM unless developer team releases the stable audio. You can also download it from here and install via OTA. one thing again, I have posted to X Club. If you check X Club, let me open that. On the post, and this is the post, best Note 4 ROM, Nougat version 35. You can also check this post on X Club. If you are already in X Club, you can see that. And you can here you can see at the bottom, to get all video guides and file links, you need to contact me on my email address, because I cannot share links etc video guides on X Club. This will be copyright issue maybe, that's why I have not shared anything on X Club. You need to contact me on Gmail, and I will therefore give all the links and video guides there. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up. If you are a new visitor of my channel, then subscribe me, that will be enough for me. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.